Hi there everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. Persistent showers this weekend have brought heavy rainfall to some parts of the northern interior, and here are just a handful of the rainfall observations for the 24-hour period up until 8 o'clock this morning. And we can see it's been very wet over Gauteng. Johannesburg has received 71 millimetres of rain, while we see similar rainfall figures over Limpopo and Mpumalanga. The wettest areas have been along the escarpment, with Tsenin and Lydenburg both receiving more than 100 millimetres of rain. The satellite imagery shows the cloud band that extends from Botswana all across the northern parts. Tropical moisture has been bringing those showers all across the area, and those continue into Limpopo. Drier air has been moving in from the Northern Cape to the central interior of the country, and that's been helping to clear things over parts of the northwest as well as the Free State. For the rest of today, it remains cloudy with showers up in the northern parts, while thunderstorms will be returning to some areas in the northwest, including Mahikeng and Vryburg. It'll be a partly cloudy day over the central interior. We really don't expect much in the way of rain for that area, while over the Western Cape, it's going to be a sunny and hot Sunday afternoon. Heading into tomorrow, and sunnier and drier conditions return to the Lowveld as well as KwaZulu-Natal. There will still be a few showers into Limpopo and Gauteng with mostly cloudy conditions, but we don't expect any further heavy rainfall for those areas. A low pressure will be deepening over the western interior of the country. That's going to help to pull down tropical moisture once again for those areas, and showers and thunderstorms will be returning to parts of the Northern Cape and the Free State on Monday afternoon and evening. But for the meantime, those areas remain mostly dry, while over Limpopo, widespread showers continue for today. Thunderstorms returning to parts of the northwest, as we've already seen, and there will still be a few showers over KwaZulu-Natal for today, but the area will gradually be clearing later on. There is still a warning in place for the possibility of heavy rainfall occurring over the northern interior for the rest of this Sunday, and with the saturated conditions over those areas, there could also be localized flooding. And there is also a warning in place for a high fire danger over the extreme western parts of the country, including around Cape Town. Winds are going to be light to moderate all across South Africa for today, but a freshening wind is expected for Port Elizabeth this afternoon. Very high temperatures over the western parts of the country, including much of the Northern Cape. Vredendal in the Western Cape also getting to a high of 37 degrees, while it remains cooler up in the northern parts with the cloud and rain in the area, keeping temperatures in the high teens and low 20s. It's going to be cool overnight for the eastern high ground, many areas dropping into the lower teens, including Johannesburg, while it remains warm over the Northern Cape. Uppington at 22. Cape Town will also be quite warm with a 20-degree minimum temperature early on Monday morning. Monday afternoon remains mostly cloudy up in the northern parts, and as mentioned, thunderstorms will be returning to the central interior for the start of the work week. And by Tuesday, it's going to be wet for almost all of the country, but Cape Town will be sunny and hot with a high of 33.